In this short video, I'll show you exactly how to add engaging music and dynamic sound effects to your videos using the Edits by Instagram app. Edits by Instagram makes it incredibly easy to enhance your reels and stories using soundtracks or well-timed sound effects. I'm going to dive deep into the Meta Music library, explore the sound effects, and show you how to seamlessly integrate them into your edits for maximum engagement. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out and you'd like to support what we do, check the pinned comment below. I've also added a useful resource there for Instagram users. Now let's get started. To begin, open your project in the Edits by Instagram app and select your clips. Once you have your video clips arranged on the timeline, locate the audio button and the sound effects button at the bottom of the screen. Let's start with music. Tap on the audio button and you'll be taken to the Meta Sound library. Here, you can browse through a vast collection of songs categorized into sounds for you, trending, and original audio. You can preview any track by tapping on it. Once you find a song you like, simply tap the Add button down here, and it will be added to your video timeline. If you want to use the sound in future projects, tap on the tag icon here to save it in the Saved Sound section here. Back in the timeline, you can then drag the audio track to position it precisely where you want it to start. You can also use the handles on either end to trim its duration to fit your video. To adjust the volume of the music, select the audio track on the timeline, then use the volume control option at the bottom here. If your video is longer than the music you selected and you want the music to play for the entire duration, then manually add the same music track to your timeline multiple times. Simply go back to the music library, select the same song again, and tap Add. Repeat this process as many times as needed to cover the length of your video. Then, carefully drag and position each instance of the music track right after the other on the timeline, ensuring there are no gaps. Finally, use the handles on either end of each music clip to trim them precisely so they play consecutively, effectively creating a continuous loop that matches the length of your video. To fade the music, select it and tap the Fade button, then adjust the fade in and fade out duration using the adjustments here. You can also split, replace, or duplicate music using their respective buttons below the timeline. Now, let's explore sound effects. Go back to the video project edit screen and tap on Sound Effects. Here, you'll find a library of short, punchy sounds categorized for various purposes, like transitions, action, comedy, reactions, and more. Just like with music, you can preview each sound effect before adding it to your video by tapping on it. To add a sound effect, select it and tap the Add button. The sound effects will then appear on your timeline, allowing you to position them precisely at the moment you want them to play. You can also adjust their volume, trim the length, and fade in and out in the same way you sys with the music file. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful and are excited to enhance your videos with amazing audio, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips and tricks. Now let's continue with some important tips for working with audio. You can add multiple music tracks and sound effects to a single video. Just repeat the steps above to add more audio layers. Remember to adjust the volume levels of different audio elements to ensure they complement each other and don't overpower your video's primary audio or voiceover. For instance, you might want background music to be at a lower volume than a specific sound effect that highlights an action. To remove an audio track or sound effect, simply select it on the timeline and tap the delete icon at the bottom of the screen. Experiment with different combinations of music and sound effects to find what best suits your video's style and message. The right audio can significantly elevate the viewer's experience and make your content more engaging and memorable. To explore more Edits by Instagram video tutorials, click this card. If this video helped and you'd like to support what we do, feel free to buy me a coffee, links in the pinned comment. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.